Hello dear friends, how are you? I hope all are alright. Let's start our today's lesson. Today I shall discuss on histology of sub-mandibular gland. You know that sub-mandibular gland is one of the important salivary glands. In the previous class we have already discussed another salivary gland, that is parotid gland. Today we will discuss on sub-mandibular gland. Histologically, sub-mandibular gland is covered by a connective tissue capsule. From the capsule, septa enters into the gland and divided into many lobules. Each lobule is composed of serous acini, mucus acini, serous demilunes, intercalated duct and striated duct. I repeat again, each lobule is composed of serous acini, mucus acini, serous demilunes, intercalated duct and striated duct. We have already mentioned that in parotid gland there is a single acini, that means a single type of acini, that is serous acini. But in submandibular gland, two types of acini are present, serous acini and mucus acini. But serous acini are predominant. That means serous acini are more than mucus acini. Serous acini are rounded or oval structures lined by pyramidal cells with a small lumen. Mucus acini are relatively larger than serous acini and they are lined by a single layer of columnar cells. The basic difference between serous acini and mucus acini are: the mucus acini are lined by columnar cells, serous acini are lined by pyramidal cells. The nucleus of the mucus acini are flattened and lies close to the basal part. The nucleus of serous acini are rounded and lies almost center of the cell. The lumen of the mucus acini are relatively larger and lumen of the serous acini are relatively smaller. Size of the mucus acini is large and size of the serous acini is small. Intercalated duct has a small lumen and lined by simple cuboidal epithelium. Striated duct are lined by columnar cells and the cells are striated at the basal part. Interlobular septum contains interlobular ducts which has a large lumen and lined by large cuboidal or columnar cells, blood vessels, nerves, and occasionally adipocytes. These are all about histology of the parotid gland. I again repeat it that it will be helpful for you to write down the structures. Histologically, sub-mandibular gland is covered by a connective tissue capsule. From the capsule, septa enters into the gland and divided into many lobules. Each lobule is composed of serous acini, mucus acini, serous demi